Merry Christmas to all of you. A warm welcome from Vatsalyam. So let us see what is this Christmas bringing for you. What surprises, what blessings, what is ending in your life, what is beginning in your life, what gifts are coming your way. So we'll see through the reading. You can see three options in front of you: red gift, silver gift and green gift. Connect to whichever gift you feel you're most drawn to, and I shall see you at your reading. The timestamps are in the description box. Thank you so much for all those who like the channel, who like my readings, who have subscribed the channel. I value all your support. It is very inspiring and very motivating. Thank you so much. The next clipping is about the options, so you can stop by and see the options more clearly for yourself, and I shall see you at your reading. Thank you. Welcome to your reading group 1. All those who've chosen the red colored gift, this is going to be your reading for the coming Christmas. The reading is a timeless reading, so you can watch this reading from this Christmas to the coming next Christmas 2022. So the reading will resonate with you within this 1 year period. So let us see what blessings, surprises, changes the Christmas is going to bring with it. So the first card is Victory. Since it's a 28 number card which comes up to 10, so definitely endings are happening and beginnings are happening with you. So here, all that aspect in your life that where you wanted to feel victorious, where you were expecting success to be a part of your life, where you desired to grow, this is what Christmas is going to bless you with. So all the struggle attached to gaining this victory, this success in your life is coming to an end, and you are going to begin a new chapter in your life. The second card is the Thinking Man. Again, number 46 comes to 10, endings and beginnings. So maybe some of you are getting a life-changing opportunity in your life, an offer which is something that you were always waiting for, you were looking for, and now it's the decision time for you to make it. So whichever decision you take, you are going to feel victorious, you are going to shine in your life. With the tarot cards, the star cards tells you the same. There are going to be miracles happening your way. There are going to be renewals happening, inner clarity coming in your life. You will be in the limelight. You will be facing lot of support, love, acknowledgement, appreciation from everybody around you. You will find yourself creating a balance for yourself, and this balance will help you stay grounded. So even if you were facing any health issues, you will find yourself recovering from it. If you had given up on something, miracles are going to come up, and you will again develop that faith, that hope within yourself, and move ahead with more positivity. With 7 of Cups, it's telling me that there are a lot of options or illusions that are there in your life. But with the coming Christmas, you will find those illusions just going away from your life. You will be able to discover that what you believe was true was actually an illusion for you. So it could be about a relationship, a thought process, a belief, whatever it was, but it's going to go away from your life. And what you are going to face is that inner peace, that contentment, as if a wish has come true for yourself. So this is what you're going to face for yourself. This is what you're going to feel emotionally. There's going to be somebody in your life who's going to help you heal emotionally, take care of you, nurture you, nourish you, be a support without even asking. There is going to be a support in your life. So this could be any female figure in your life, could be your mother, your soulmate, your wife, your partner. It could be anybody, but someone who's going to help you heal emotionally and come out of your dark side of your life. Let's see what blessing angels are sending your way. Beloved one, Archangel Chamuel is telling you that I'm helping you with your spiritual soulmate relationship. So as I told you that there is somebody who's going to nurture you, support you, be non-judgmental about you. So he is helping you to find that soulmate support in your life. So beautiful blessing and surprises coming your way this Christmas. Merry Christmas to all of you. Welcome to your reading group 2. So all those who've chosen the silver colored gift, this is going to be your reading. So let us see what surprises, blessings, gifts Christmas is going to bring for you. This is going to be a timeless reading. So this Christmas to next Christmas 2022, the reading is going to resonate with you. So beginning with the first card, Deceit. So it's a 25 number card, that means 7. Some of you might have recognized or will be recognizing that there is somebody who's cheating. Maybe it's a personal cheat, or it could be a cheat that you are observing at your workplace, at your business. So some kind of deceit is something that you are sensing. And yes, you are on the right path. And with the next card, which is a victory card, a 28 number card, that comes to 10. So this deceit is going to be unveiled. Person who has been involved in this, you will be able to bring that person in front of everybody. You will be able to recognize the deceit that you have been going through because of that person, and victory is going to come in that aspect, and this chapter is going to end in your life then, and a new beginning is coming, which is going to be success, which is going to be towards prosperity and growth in your life. Any other aspect in your life where you are wanting that success to come in, that victory to come in, you will witness it. Let's see what tarot has to tell us. Looking at the tarot cards, there are 3 major arcanas that you can see. So whatever you have been focusing on, whatever you have been eyeing for, whatever you have been desiring for, there is going to be awakening call coming your way, inner clarity coming your way. There is going to be guidance coming for you, how you can walk on that path and achieve what you want to. Maybe some of you wanted to become like some other person. So here the card is telling me that yes, there is going to be a new discovery for yourself where you will walk on that path and achieve whatever you want to with lot of focus, balance, and belief in your own self. So clarity is coming your way. Angels are guiding you. Angels are going to support you, protect you on this journey of yours. Do not ignore this call. For some, there is balance coming into your life. When we talk about balance, at times it is difficult to understand what is that balance. So whenever you are taking a decisions, just observe yourself. Are you thinking emotionally and less logically, or less less emotionally and more logically? So create a balance while you take decisions. Are you working too much or not paying much attention to your family? Create that balance there. So here you are going to make an effort of creating that balance into your life. That is going to help you to walk on a path which is going to take you towards growth, to more sunshine, to more prosperity in your life. You are very well protected by the angels. The third card is the Empress card, and it says that a good news is coming for some of you. Maybe you were expecting pregnancy for yourself or been trying for pregnancy. So that's coming your way. Many of you will be able to follow your dreams, nurture your own self. If you've not been paying attention to your needs, to your wants, to your own body, then this card is telling you that now will be the time where you will focus on yourself, where you will nurture yourself. Be careful, be more vigilant about how you look, what are you wearing, what are you eating. Your habits are going to change, especially your diet is going to change. You will now switch on to more healthier food, more fibrous food. You will connect more with nature, maybe having a routine where you will be going out and exercising in nature. So these are the major changes and blessings, surprises that Christmas is bringing. Let us see what angels are sending your way. All is well. Archangel Jeremiah, everything is happening exactly as it is supposed to. With hidden blessings, you will soon understand. So at times we often question God, why is this happening with me? but at times we don't understand that there is some blessing that is hidden and beneath the surface, which will be revealed when it is the right time. So trust that process that you are going through and wait for that beautiful blessing to come into your life. Merry Christmas to all of you. Welcome to your reading group 3, all those who've chosen the green colored gift. Let us see what blessings, opportunities, surprises, gifts are coming your way with this Christmas. This is going to be a timeless reading, so it can resonate with you from 2021 Christmas to 2022 Christmas. So your first card is Healer of the Ages. So yes, healing is coming your way. Maybe you have been going through a lot of emotional distress, lot of emotional imbalance in your life. It could be cause of losing a relationship, could be separating from someone, a dispute from someone, but something that has really injured you from within, that has really hurt you, given you a lot of pain. So the surprise, the blessing that is coming your way is of healing. Maybe you would like to consult a healer who would help you to go through this process and come out victorious, come out with more positive energies. Next card is Angel of Strength. So it's a card of change that is going to come into your life, that you will witness the energy of feeling more positive, the energy of having that determination, that willpower from within, that strength that helps you sail through any challenging times in your life. That strength is going to come within you. Also, you will find yourself healing from any ongoing ailment. So this strength will also help you regain that physical strength. Also, you will be regaining as you recover, as you heal from an ongoing ailment in your life. Queen of Cups, the Moon, Eight of Pentacles and King of Pentacles. So here the tarot is telling me that yes, there is going to be a person in your life who is going to support you unconditionally, give you that nurturing, heal you emotionally, help you come in terms with your emotions, help you balance them, help you to see the more positive side of life. So this person is going to play a major role in your life here. The Moon card is telling me that all that was unclear to you, all that you were unable to see with clarity, the direction you wanted to go, the path you wanted to take will gradually come into light. You will be able to understand the direction you wanted to take to gain whatever was your dream in your life. Dreams are going to be of importance here. So pay attention to all that you see in your dreams. Those could be messages. Those could be a way of communication towards you through universe. So pay attention to what your dreams are telling you. You can maintain a dream journal. You will find an evolution happening within you, evolving as a better person, evolving in your thought process, evolving in the way you conduct yourself. So evolution is going to happen and you will be able to choose a path for yourself. Eight of Pentacles is telling me that you have been consistently working hard to grow your abundance, to find that stability, that security in your life. And definitely this blessing is coming into your life where you will find yourself growing into your abundance, your finances. You will be able to find yourself at a very secured, at a stable position. You will be finding ways to grow your money, making wise investments, understanding where you should balance your money, what give and take you should do. So you will be gaining all these things in your life with this coming Christmas. Angels have a blessing for you, the blessing of peace. Peace comes from remembering that only love is real. So yes, love is real, because love that we have, unconditional love, where no judgment is attached to it, no expectation is attached to it, that love towards our family, towards our own self, towards nature, towards the universe is real. So you will experience this beautiful blessing of peace. We are all looking for peace these days, and you are getting this blessing. So you're really blessed to have this. I wish you all a blessed Christmas. Merry Christmas to all of you.